Hello everyone, I'm Sarah Ghost, and we are taking a look at how UX designers and product designers can leverage AI in their experiences. In today's, more so digital age than ever before, artificial intelligence is transforming the way that businesses operate and interact with their customers. And as a UX designer, product designer, you have to understand how you can leverage the power of AI to enhance the user experience of your product or service. In this video, I'm just going to cover 4 ways that UX designers can use different aspects of AI to enhance, improve, and show their value to the business. So the first way UX designers can use AI is to create personalized user experiences. Now, we all know of this approach, right? You use AI to collect data about your users and understand their behavior, preferences, and needs. This information can help you create more targeted and personalized experiences that cater to an individual user. There's examples of this on Spotify, Hulu, Netflix. They use their AI algorithms to analyze user data and recommend content that matches their viewing preferences. So this is a common approach. It's been happening for a while, and it is valuable as people want to feel more personalization and customization in the digital space. The second way UX designers can use AI is to enhance accessibility. AI-powered technologies like natural language processing and image recognition can help people with disabilities to navigate digital interfaces more easily. For example, Google's live caption feature uses speech recognition technology to create real-time captions for videos, making them more accessible to people who are deaf or hard of hearing. This demonstrates how AI can be used to make digital experiences more inclusive and accessible to a wider audience. So if you haven't thought about how accessible your software is, taking a look at some of these AI-powered tools can help really skyrocket your app or your website's ability to reach a wider audience. The third way UX designers can use AI is to improve user research. AI can analyze and process large amounts of data quickly and efficiently, making it a valuable tool for user research. For example, IBM Watson can analyze customer feedback and identify patterns and trends that would be difficult for humans to spot. This information can help UX designers make data-driven decisions about the design of their products and services. A really good tool that I know does this is Qualtrics. I've heard great things about it. They will, you're able to upload your data, and they actually have algorithms and machine learning ability to take out insights and display them back to you so you can have that data a lot quicker, which I know when I'm working, sometimes it's a little frustrating to sit there and affinity map and group themes and insights. And so it might just be helpful and awesome to have a tool that does that for you so you can spend more time doing the parts of the UX process that you enjoy. I also have used ChatGPT to generate different types of user questions and interview guides. So there are a lot of useful tools out there that can help with user research, and I recommend taking a look at some of them. The fourth and final way UX designers can use AI is to streamline the design process. AI can automate many of the repetitive tasks that UX designers have to perform, such as creating wireframes or prototypes. This can free up more time for UX designers to focus on the creative aspects of their work. An example of this is Sketch to Code. It's a tool developed by Microsoft that uses AI to convert hand-drawn sketches into functional HTML prototypes. This tool saves UX designers a lot of time and effort, allowing them to focus on creating better experiences. So like I said, these are just 4 ways that you can use AI to increase the user experience of your products. By leveraging the power of AI, UX designers can create more personalized, accessible, data-driven, and efficient experiences for their users. And this allows you to automate some of these processes to create delightful experiences. So start exploring AI and see how it can improve your UX design process today.